Welcome to 103 Elwyn Lane, Unit 3. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, second floor apartment. You can see up on the second level here, there's parking out front, in front of the building. Shared parking, typically about 2 spaces per unit. And the apartment itself is in the sort of right off of Greystone Road, near 126 and Broad River Road in Columbia. So we're inside the living room now. You can see there's a nice size open floor plan living and dining space here. Yeah, the updated laminate hardwood or laminate vinyl plank flooring going throughout the property. It's been updated. You see going down the hall there as well. Open to the dining room here, and you also have your half bathroom off of the living and dining area. A single vanity in there, and then a mirror and some updated lighting here. Updated lighting here in the dining area, pretty much throughout most of the fixtures. You do have a laundry room here as well, or a laundry closet off the kitchen. You have full-size washer dryer connections in there. And you also do have a sliding door that leads you out to the balcony. It's a nice covered outdoor space. Looks out over the sort of a shared backyard space here behind the units, and then sort of overlooks just some trees and kind of backs up to a quiet cul-de-sac back there. And then you do have a storage room off of the balcony here as well. So back inside, you have a galley style kitchen, nice size. See there's even some extra space here coming into the kitchen. You have an included electric stove and a refrigerator. And then you have a nice window here looking out over the back of the property. And then it comes out on the other side to the hall that just leads back out to the main living area. And then you have your bedrooms and bath off of the area here. So this is one of 2 bedrooms. Both have a ceiling fan. This one has a pretty standard size closet. Both of them do face the front of the unit. You have 2 linen closets, or just hall closets right near the bathroom there. Again, ceiling fan in here. Window looking out over the front. And then you have a walk-in closet in this. I guess you would consider this the master. Also where some of the HVAC components live back there as well. And then take a quick look here at the closets. You have one on this side and then a second one here. So 1 coat and 1 linen or some extra storage space. And then here at the end of the hall, last but not least, you have your full bathroom. Again, those floors continue. Towel, shower, and tub. And then you have a single vanity, and you do have access to under the sink there as well. And updated lighting in here also. So that completes our tour of this home, 103 Elwyn Lane, unit or apartment 3 on the second level. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.